The Spigen Tough Armor Case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Spigen for Galaxy Note 9 Tough Armor. Picture of the case itself. Military grade. Drop tested for Samsung Galaxy. On the back of the packaging, take a look at that if you want. Tough armor. So let's dive in this one. Now I do notice slightly different packaging here. Usually it's all orange, now it's white. Let's see what we get inside. And inside we get little instruction here. That to the side, and this is the case itself. Okay, now this is a two-part case. TPU and a hard shell back, as you can see. Now inside of the case, you have this pattern here. Let the light hit it, there you go. Logo there in the middle. Take a look at that. Cool, let's go ahead and put the Note 9 in and let's check this case out. The phone will squeeze right in. And this is it. This is how it's going to look like. Now I also do have an Elixir glass screen protector on this phone right now. And I'm looking at it right now and it works. I'm not seeing any lifting of the screen protector. This screen protector goes all the way to the edge. So if you're wondering if this combination works, so far, this screen protector is not popping out yet. Now your volume rocker is flat with the case. You have a plus and minus indicator. You have a ridge button here for your Bixby. Now I gotta say, I gotta wish that this ridge button were for the volume rocker and not Bixby. Same thing with the power button. Kind of wish this was ridged and not flat. I don't think a lot of people really use this button. I don't know why this is ridged. It should be the other way around. Ridged volume rocker, ridged power button, flat Bixby button. Bottom of the case, you have your cutouts, access to the S Pen. No problem pulling it out. Put that back in, top of the case. You have your cutout for your mic, which is nice and precise. Right there. Flipping the case over on its back, you have your cutout for your fingerprint scanner and dual camera setup, which let's test out the fingerprint scanner and works like a dream. One more time. No issues with that. And back here, one of the reasons I love this case from Spigen on other phones as well is the black kickstand. To me, that just looks pretty nice. Nice and stealthy. I just love how that looks. Let's check out the button tactility. Power button, nice and clicky. No issues with the power button. And checking out the volume rocker, nice click to it. No issues with that. And Bixby, that works, but I don't use Bixby. I'm gonna close it out. And let's check out the front lip of this case. You get a good amount of front lip here. Check it out. So you lay this phone flat on the table, glass will not touch the surface. You have a tempered glass, even better. Check out the kickstand real quick. This kind of pops open like so, and put it on a flat surface. You could watch your media, etc. And let's check out the wireless charge. This should work. I don't see no issues with that, but let's check it out anyways. And fast charging wirelessly. So this is the Spigen Tough Armor Case. If you're interested in this case, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.